Now wow.
What's it up?
My sister, relationship these days now nonsense, absolutely nonsense. If person no dey do relationship again, abeg, make everybody just rest. Because everybody just dey pretend. Imagine say you go date boy for 4 years, 5 years, he no go marry you.
My sister, no be small to me self dey face so. Also my boyfriend tell me say be nonchalant boy. How would I date nonchalant boy?
Imagine.
Go see my text message, no fit reply. Me, I don't even tire.
Men, I don't know what they want. I don't know.
Relationship be that so. See, small thing like this, man ignore me like this. I block him. And why I get many exes? See, Peter blocked.
A few moments later.
I don't understand. Person wear this bone straight. I be stretch am now. Blessing. Come go. You wear this hair.
What's happen? What is there?
I be stretch am now, boy. It could look like say person wear am. Be the stretch am no hot reach. You wear am.
Why go wear now?
Why you come look like this? See am now. No be having a stretch be this. Oh, you know what?
To stretch am again.
Me I carry stretch am. Me stretch am.
Give me. Just like see the stretcher, not too hot like that. Don't worry, I will stretch am for you. I'll stretch am for you. Where you put the stretcher?
This house.
Okay. No worry. I'm at work now. I'm just trying to talk small small. When I stretch this here now, you know what be like this. You like this here. Stretch. Give me the body.
Now wow, person go just dey go school. Go be like say they suffer. Now wow. Okay, wait till one day here now. Let's make a correct.
As at 2022.
Shut up, E! You too talk. Wetin happen? Person never get conversation. You don't dey talk. True?
She never actually happen.
Tell your face. I don't understand though. You talk to her. You talk to her. I'm not like that kind. Don't be your friend. You can't afford this house. Which kind of nonsense now? Person go down the toilet. Person go down the toilet. Man, true?
I'm tired of that girl. I don't dey like
Which kind of thing is that one? But as at 2022.
Shut up!